Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm just gonna do a quick little get ready with me with my recent Sephora purchase. So it'll be like a little get ready with me and a mini haul. So let's do this. This is one of the purchases that I got. It opened up a little bit in the box, but this is the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum, and it's supposed to brighten, and I think I read on the box that it's supposed to help with like hyperpigmentation, which I have a little bit of, but yeah, so let's see. I was supposed to apply this much, but we are going. It doesn't have a smell to it, like, at all. It feels really smooth, very hydrating on the skin. Okay. And then once that is like dried down, I'll put on my moisturizer, but this isn't from my most recent purchase, but this is the Grande Lash Serum. It's supposed to help your lashes look a little bit longer. Some on for you. Well, that is drying down. I'll show you the one thing that I'm not going to use today for my purchase, which is these Lily lashes. These are the 3D faux mink lashes in Mykonos. Lily. These are just a little bit too dramatic for the look that I'm going for today. Wow, this serum is really nice. I really like it. So I feel like it is pretty dried down, and I will say my skin looks super bright and like juicy. So next I'm gonna go in with my favorite moisturizer right now. This is Origin's A Perfect World SPF 40. And so SPF is really important to me. I have pretty fair skin, and I'm trying to preserve the youth, you know? Oops. And I have really dry skin, so moisturizer and everything skincare related is pretty important to me. So next I'm gonna do my brows, and I don't know if I have like a really heavy hand or what, but I swear the brush always breaks off the end of my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencils. So and then my daughter broke my other brush that I have. Are you having fun? So I'm just using the brush end of this, and then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia. And I have some pretty sparse areas, so I am just trying to go in and fill all of those. Cute, looking real cute around here. So I'm just gonna go in with some concealer just to hide some of my dark circles. That was Pat McGrath Sublime. And then I'm just gonna use my Ilia, I think this is the soft focus powder, just to set a little bit. I got some of that in my eye. And then I like to just put a little bit of setting powder over my brows. The next thing that I got is the Bobbi Brown highlighter. I think this is the first product from Bobbi Brown that I've actually got. So this is the highlighting powder in Pink Glow. Ooh, super metallic. Beautiful. Ooh, literally straight out of the ocean. I look like a mermaid just washed up. Going to the pineapple park today, so if they lose me, I'll just send my little search party via the highlight. So I'm super excited about this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The Patrick Ta, what is this even called? A Vision Rosé. So this is like a body glow, body oil for major glow. Okay. Oh wow. Just save some of the oil. It smells really good too. I would spray that like on my collarbone area. So cute. It's hydrating too. But Lily's in my lap now, so I won't curl my lashes really quickly. Okay, cute. So the last thing that I got is the Melt Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gwendolyn. This is super pretty. It's like a terracotta. So that is everything that I got in my little Sephora haul and my little mini get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed just hanging out with me and seeing some of the stuff that I got. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.